How to pay with gift card on McDonald's. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application McDonald's. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on this homepage. Once you are in this page, now what you want to do is head over to More at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then you'll see the option of payment method. Simply move into it. Once you have moved into it, it will be landing you on this page. Well, you will be able to see tons of different payment methods: credit or debit card, PayPal account, Venmo account, Visa gift card, and many more. All you gotta do is you have to select gift card and then enter all the detailed information of your card. Enter your card number, expiry date, and also security code if it is available to you. Once you have entered, tap on confirm, and after that, if all of the detailed informations are correct, then you will be able to pay the amount with the help of your gift card, and then you will be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.